This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Ross, ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We just finished up this 2-car today in Palm Harbor. So this garage actually had no expansion joints, but it did have a ton of cracks that we repaired before we put the epoxy down. So this one's a little bit different insofar as they're gonna eventually install a on-demand hot water system. So I created a line here that once they get the water heater out of here, we're gonna come back and fill this little space with epoxy and chips. So relatively straightforward job. This color is Dolphin. It's really nice color, it's maybe khaki. See how nice that top coat looks that we just put down. And the softeners here. So we incorporated this right into the floor, so it looks like it's sitting on the floor. Came out really nice.
Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.